So, good news. The rider we lost, Sam, guy with the moustache, is fine. He bent his gear lever up 90 degrees, which is pretty impressive. So, the rider who came off is fine. His bike's gear lever was bent up, vertical, so he was stuck in second, so we had to limp it back, which is why he never caught up with us even though we waited. Now I'm taking his brother out on the beginner trail because his brother just passed in January. So we're going to go and do that, and we've actually managed to fix the bike in about 10 minutes, which is awesome. Oh, it's nice to get a breeze going. But yeah, the Bridgestone Trail, I have to say, bravo, very good. Good for all levels actually. Yeah, he's alright. Gotta learn how to do fucking gears on this bike stood up. That was fucking dog awful. Oh, I'm in fourth, that's why I'm in. Oh.